Hello folks, Eric Sink here with another episode of Fermentation Today. Before we get to our breaking news, I want to give a quick update from Apple Ridge Farm. Currently, things are slowing down as the summer season comes to a close and we enter the fall season. We're cleaning our potatoes, onions, and garlic in preparation for winter markets and some festivals. And we've planted plenty of greens for the late fall and winter, including a hot shot mix of different types of mustard, a beta mix of Swiss chard and beet greens, and everyone's favorite, arugula. So, what's this breaking news? It's everywhere, folks. They're in the air. They're on our skin. They're even inside of us. And these things are bacteria and yeast, also known as probiotics. Simply put, probiotics are a combination of beneficial bacteria and yeast that naturally live in your body and occur in the air. And you've probably heard about these beneficial microorganisms in all things nutrition and food. So I want to touch on them today because it's a huge thing. It actually helps us in a lot of ways and it's unique to you. Everyone's microbiome, everyone's combination of microorganisms is different. And these microorganisms help your body digest food. They keep bad bacteria from getting out of control and making you sick. They create vitamins and help support the cells in your stomach and intestine to fight off disease and illness. They also break down and absorb medications that we take to help us feel better, and they regulate hormones and even create hormones, including serotonin, that feel-good hormone that we all would love to have a little bit more of. So, why should I care about these yeast and bacteria? Don't they take care of themselves? Don't they regulate themselves in our bodies? Well, they do, but there are some things that can adversely affect them, including antibiotics and food preservatives. So in order to help your microbiome, the little guys that are just trying to keep you happy and healthy, we should consume a diverse array of foods, including probiotics. These foods can include kombucha, raw apple cider vinegar, switchel, kimchi, sauerkraut. The list goes on and on. Anything fermented, anything that's naturally occurring and not full of these food preservatives. Because we want to repopulate these microorganisms when they get a little out of whack, when they're killed off by these antibiotics or preservatives. Because if the good bacteria is lacking in your body, you might be overrun by the bad bacteria and other things that you really don't want. So, quick summary, probiotics. They are a good thing. They are the good bacteria and yeast that help your body do all sorts of awesome things, including digesting food, processing vitamins and minerals, and creating hormones that regulate how you feel and what you do day to day. These probiotics, these microorganisms, can be affected by preservatives and antibiotics. So we want to make sure we're constantly replenishing our body with these good bacteria and yeast so that they can continue to help us feel better every day. So that was just a quick summary of the benefits of probiotics and what they are. Tune in next week for when we talk about the connection between these microbiome, these microorganisms, and how they affect our body and brain in more detail. Thank you for tuning in, folks, and we'll see you next time.